Then let's go to chapter 1, which is introduction. Your chapter 1 have to do with your introduction. Under introduction, you have background of the study, statement of the problem, you have research question, purpose of the study, hypothesis, scope or limitation of the study, significance of the study, limitation of the study, and operational definition of term. So I'm going to explain each of them. So your background of the study, which is the number 1 under your chapter 1. So your background of the study have to do with your own say concerning the topic. Okay, what do you have to say concerning the topic? You have to do with some little information about the topic. Don't go in details, because when you write details in your chapter 2, so your chapter 1 and the first part, which is background, just write a little about what the topic is all about and what is your own experience concerning this topic. Statement of the problem have to do with it expose the need of study, it expose the why for the study, and it answer the question what. It goes deep to review the in-depth fact or consequences that will occur if this problem that you're actually talking about is not being identified. Then you go to your research question. Your research question is not your questionnaire. Some people confuse research question and your question. Your research question should not answer yes or no. Research questions are those questions you ask in order to get solution to the problems you're actually carrying out. For example, now let us take a topic to work with. We have, like the popular one I normally use, the effect of lack of electricity on the academic performance of students, a case study of University of Benin. Research questions are those questions that is well constructed to be able to get answer to the problems you are carrying out on, the research problems you're actually embarking on. Research question should not answer yes or no. What do I mean? You don't answer your research question should not be like, is there light in Uniben? Somebody can actually say yes, there's light. Somebody can actually say no, there's no light. So a research question should not answer yes or no. The question should be constructed that it needs more investigation, it needs more explanation to actually get that question. Not just a question you can just, someone cannot look at it and say yes or no. It's your questionnaire that you can do that. But in your research question, the other one is purpose of the study. It contains the major thing the researcher intends to do. Like your purpose of the study, why are you carrying out this research? What is your major reason of carrying out this research? That's your purpose of the study. The other one, we have your hypothesis. Yes, you have to formulate hypothesis. What is hypothesis? Hypothesis is an intelligent guess about the solution to a problem. Yes, a very intelligent guess. For example, you went like that example I normally give, that you enter your room and you see your room is flooded with water. Okay, then you begin to make guess. Is it because I off my tap? Is it because I on my tap? Or is my roof leaking? But it's not rain today. Or how come there is water in my room? You understand? So you begin to make some intelligent guess about the solution to the problem. What actually caused this problem? You understand? Now we have type of hypothesis. We have the non-hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. The non-hypothesis that there is no relationship. Make sure you use that word. There is no significant relationship. While the alternative hypothesis, there is significant relationship. Now imagine you thinking about this water in your room, and somebody come and tell you that the reason why there's water in your room, why your room is flooded, because your fan is on. That is a non-hypothesis. You say there is no significant relationship between my fan that is on and water on the floor. But if the person tell you that the reason why your room is flooded, you did not even off your tap, like, there is a significant relationship between my running tap and my room being flooded. That is hypothesis. It's an intelligent guess. So if you have an hypothesis in your research work, you have to test the hypothesis. Under chapter 1, you still have significance of the study, and it contains who will benefit from this study, who is actually going to gain from this study. Is it you or your family member? Who is going to gain from this study? So on that one is limitation of study. So limitation of the study have to do with those things you actually encounter, those barriers, those things that actually affected you when carrying out this research topic or this your project. You can also put shortage of time. You can also put finance. The last one under chapter 1 is operational definition of terms. It has to do with defining the variables, those areas in your research work according to the study. I said according to the study. For example, the effect of lack of electricity on the academic performance of students. You will define electricity, not a global definition, define according to your study. Okay, don't give a Google definition. You cannot say electricity is a power, is a light which students use to read, to study, and do special activities. Why are you mentioning students? Because it's in your research topic. So you have to define it around your project. So that's what they call it operational definition of term.